If you want to hide the AnyDesk icon from your taskbar, the easiest way is to move it to a separate virtual desktop in Windows. This is a simple trick, and it works really well if you want to keep your main workspace clean while AnyDesk is still open in the background. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. First, look at your taskbar and find the Task View icon, which is usually right next to the Windows search bar. If you prefer, you can also press Windows plus tab on your keyboard to open it instantly. This will show you all of your open windows and your virtual desktops. Now, at the top or bottom of the screen, click New Desktop to create a second desktop. Windows will create a fresh workspace, and this is what we're going to use to separate AnyDesk from your main screen. Next, find the Open AnyDesk window in Task View. Click and drag that window over to Desktop 2. Once you release it there, the AnyDesk window will move to the second desktop instead of staying on your main one. After that, switch back to Desktop 1. This is your normal workspace, and now you can continue working as usual. The key result here is that the active AnyDesk window icon will no longer appear on your main taskbar, which makes everything look much cleaner and less distracting. If you ever want to use AnyDesk again, just open Task View or press Windows plus tab and switch back to Desktop 2. You can move windows between desktops anytime, so this method is flexible and easy to reverse. This is a great tip for anyone who wants better screen organization, a cleaner taskbar, or a more professional looking desktop while AnyDesk is running. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple Windows tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.